work, of course. So I'm halfway through my week. I can do this. I got this.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, I'll walk you through this. This is very simple.
Out of the store! And I'm talking really loud because I have the air conditioning on and I still want you to hear my voice! Breakfast for lunch. Hey, yeah, that's my order. Yours? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Got the booty.
Real late start today. But hey, what are you gonna do? I'm taking myself to Chipotle. I got this free chorizo coupon and I intend to use it. Man, that ropes course the other day got me. Look at that bruise. Yeah, it's really coming in. It's pretty gnarly. 41 minutes left. Good to go. Got the booty. They're always so nice in there. The free chorizo coupon didn't work, so whatever. Well, I was just trying to make a quick espresso before work. I may have made a mess and made a little extra time for myself. Here we go. Tonight's show is Blues Caravan. It's gonna be a low attendance one, so no pressure. When the daddy and mommy
just leaving work. My sciatica is killing me. It's dark AF out here. Let's go home.
Taking a dump.